Today is 4/23/24. We're going to install these drapes or honeycomb blinds, and it's called cordless pleated shade. And you mount the metal bracket like this with this little curve on the top, and then so this is pretty intuitive. So over here. So we're going to be having this just like that. So it's going to sit like that, and then this part clips in the middle and the bottom, and there's 3 of these. Each one of them gets 2 screws, and then you notice that it looks like this. So this would be in the bottom and this would be in the top, and then you notice that there's a little gap here. Well, this is in the back and this is in the front. So this is the nice side that you see. So if you look at the picture, it'll be like that. That's that little gap. So everything nice looks that way in the front. So it's pretty much going to sit exactly like it is right now. All right. And then when you measure this thing, you measure across, and across. So whatever number you get that's the smallest of the 3, take that one. And this one happens to be like 69.5, I believe. Okay.